Hey guys! Welcome to Mexico. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung port ng Mexico. Although, lalabas naman tayo doon mamaya. So, medyo magulo lang yung room ko. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Oh my God! Ang daming barko! See, ang daming barko! Meron pa nagdadak na barko. So, sabi ng sister ko, oh, Princess Cruises din siya. So, meron pa nagdadak na barko dyan. Ayan o. Currently, nagdadak sila. Tapos yung port will be there. That's the port. Yun yung pupuntahan natin mamaya. Tapos dyan din tayo lalabas. Tsaka papasok, papunta dito sa barko. So ito yung tsura ng balcony ko. Yan. Tapos ngayon, pupunta tayo sa port later. Pero I'll just show you quickly kung ano yung laman ng bag ko. Tapos yung mga tips na kailangan nyo dalhin. Sobrang init dito sa Cozumel, Mexico right now. So I'll just show you yung laman ng bag ko. Let's go! Okay, game. Mabilisan lang to kasi it's already 9:30 ship time. So by the way, just so you know, may tinatawag na ship time. Yung ship time, ito yung oras ng barko na sinusunod nila. Kung saang port nag-originate yung barko or umalis, yun yung ship time na sinusunod nila. So for Star Princess, ang galing kami sa Fort Lauderdale. So yun yung time na sinusunod nila kahit pumunta kami ng Belize, Mexico, Honduras. Ang ship time na sinusunod is yung sa Fort Lauderdale. Bakit may ship time? May ship time kasi para, alam yun, hindi na babaguhin yung iba-ibang oras. Kumbaga yung differences, yung different time zones nung barko. Kumbaga may isang time lang na sinusunod. So yun yung sinusunod ng lahat pag aalis yung barko, kapag may mga boats, pag aalis yung barko, tsaka yung mga activities sa barko, ship time lagi yung ginagamit para hindi pa iba-iba. Gets? Gets. Okay, ngayon mabilisan lang kung anong laman ng ating bag. It's just so funny na ang dami kong dinalang bag, na magagandang bag for travel. Pero I end up using the Uniqlo tote bag. Sobrang versatile. Tapos, sobrang ano niya, marami kang malalagay sa loob. So, ito yung dinadala ko everyday sa tour. I just have this small pouch. Itong small pouch na to, sobrang helpful kasi hindi siya mababasa. So, kung may mga water tours or nasa port, umulan, hindi ako kakabahan na mabasa yung mga valuables ko, yung mga power banks, phones. I always have lotion, hand lotion, and then yung powder. And then, pag may tour kayo, pag magko-cruise kayo, always have small snacks. Dapat may snacks kayo para kung magutom kayo or bumababa na yung sugar levels ninyo, meron kayong snacks. I also have candy for sugar levels. I have Pipakwa, tissue, important yan. Kahit saan kayo travel, dapat may tissue kahit maliit. Ang init sa Mexico, sa Cozumel, kahit saan kayo pumunta. So, I always have my sunscreen. Para every 2 hours, I reapply. Kahit hindi ako nakapag-apply every 2 hours. Tapos, ito naman, wipes. Siyempre, kapag kailangan mo ng wipes, you have your wipes. And then, important talaga na meron kayong maliit na power bank. Sobrang gusto ko tong OraShare. Not sponsored. OraShare kasi, ano na siya, compact. Compact. Maliit lang siya, tapos meron ng wire. So, hindi ko na kailangan magdala ng wire. And, nakikita ko pa kung ilang percent na lang yung charge niya. And then, important, dapat may alcohol for sanitizing. Siyempre, kung ano-ano hinahawakan nyo. I have my, for the lips, na may SPF. Ang ganda nitong camo na to, it's dual na siya. Meron tinted balm, meron din na moisturizing balm lang. Tapos, may SPF na to. So, nagpo-protect din niya yung lips mo at the same time, moisturized pa. And then, I have my wax. And then, I have my breath spray, oral spray. And then, I also have here, of course, money, USD. So, generally, sa lahat ng ports, ang ginagamit nila is USD, US dollars. Kasi nga, yun yung widely na ginagamit. So, kung wala kang local money, you can use USD. Next is, I have a cup. So, yung hat ko, yung cup ko, just in case na magulo na yung hair ko, kunyari, the whole day na kayo nagtutour, pwede ko na lang siyang isabit. Pwede ko lang siya suotin anytime. So, I have my cup kasi sobrang init. And please, pag magta-travel kayo, always, always bring water. Please, para hindi kayo ma-dehydrate, please hydrate yourself by drinking water. Tapos, I also have umbrella. Ang init sa labas. So, may umbrella akong dala. And my tripod. Ito yung TNW na tripod na yung gumagalaw. Ito, sobrang ganda. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko to. And lastly, kapag aalis kayo ng port, kailangan yung tingnan kung anong oras yung depart, anong oras aalis yung barko. Always remember, hindi kayo iintayin ng barko. Kaya kailangan, you check your pattern, yung sinabi ko sa mga previous vlogs ko. Pattern, nandun lahat ng activities, nandun nakalagay kung kailan darating yung barko sa port, anong oras siya aalis. You must know all those things. Kasi baka may iwan kayo ng barko. Yun lang, running late. Bye. So, we're out and we're going outside. And yung tsura ng room, tsaka ng hallway here. So, it's all the same. So, let's check and go out to Mexico. Good morning. Morning. And then, as usual, we need to go to gangway. So, that's letter C. We need to go out sa gangway. So we're going out right now. I'll show you paano lumabas. So this is the exit. We're going out to the port. Morning! So, ito yung tsura nung ship namin. That's the Star Princess. And then this is Majestic Princess. Yeah, that one. Parang same size. But this one kasi, ito yung pinakabago, yung Star Princess. So it's a long walk. Papunta dun sa port. Yun yung port. Sobrang excited ako sa Mexico. Ito sa Cozumel. Kasi ewan ko, parang sa lahat ng ports, like Belize and Roatan, yung una ko napuntahan. Itong Mexico ay parang may lively vibe. Tapos ang daming tao, as in ang daming nagda-dock. Pero let's see kung ano makikita natin doon. I'll see you there kasi sayang naman kung i-record ko yung paglalakad ko, di ba? Daming barko. So, 4 yata yung ships na nakadock ngayon. So, yung port will be so busy dahil ayan yung mga ships. Yan, ang daming barko dito nakadock sa Cozumel, Mexico. So, busy talaga yung port. Malapit na tayo sa port. So, una natin papasukan is the duty-free. Yung paglabas ng Cozumel duty-free. And nakita niyo daming tao. But that's fine. It's over. Sobrang excited na ako. Makapag-vlog naman si Kuya mo. Akala mo may 100 million followers. I'm so excited for Cozumel. Super happy. That's Cozumel duty-free. So, dyan tayo papasok. So, this is the Cozumel duty-free. So, all people, we're going here muna for the entrance. So, lahat pupunta muna ng duty-free. Lahat dito dadaan before ka makalabas din sa pinaka-port. Kung saan inimit yung mga, yung mga tours. Ito yung mga prices dito. So, tax-free yan. Yung, Carolina Herrera, yun yung prices. And kung ano pang perfumes. Actually, ang daming perfume dito. Like, 40% off, ganyan. Yung Lacoste na white, it's $89. $110. Hindi ko alam kung mura yan. Mura ba yan? And then they also have different perfumes here. Yan yung mga prices. $94. Tsaka kung ano-ano pa. They also have chocolates. Meron naman ito sa Pilipinas eh. 15 USD. Yan yung mga prices. That's the prices. Huwag na kayo magtaka kasi ang mga prices talaga sa duty free here is mostly in USD. So, yan yung mga prices nila para hindi na mahirapan yung tourist na compute. Tapos they have jewelries. Siyempre natin titingnan yan. Ray-Ban. Ito yung sample na price. Wala pala siyang price. Hindi ko makita yung price, sorry. And then more perfumes. Phantom. Alam niyo ba yan? Hindi ko alam yan. Etong Hermes. It's 2,000. Hindi ko maintindihan kung ano yung... okay. Hindi ko maintindihan yung price niya kasi may 190 USD, meron 3,000. Baka yung maliit yung 3,000. Yung full bottle yung 3,000. Anyway, labas na tayo ng duty free. Hello, ang cute! Mexican! Susanel! Hello, ang cute! Hello, ang cute! Super cute! Photos for tips. Siyempre, pag napapicture ka, may photos. May tips talaga dapat. Ang cute! Super cute! Titipid tayo. Hindi tayo mapapapicture muna. Ito din, photos for tips. So cute! Super cute. Tapos ito may mga beers na naka-discount and everything. Okay, let's go. Doon pa tayo sa dulo. Welcome to the Port of Mexico. This is Cozumel. Ang daming mga stores. Nakita niyo ba? So may stores din, may churros and everything as usual. Ang dami, sobrang busy. Tapos eto, dyan tayo maghahanap nung sa tour natin. So may mga zone-zone yan. So dyan mo makikita kung saang tour ka pupunta. Let's go. Ang cute! May donkey! There's a donkey! Okay, that's so nice. Donkey. In Cozumel. So ito yung makikita dito sa port. So naging official photographer pa nga ako. No? Ang dami nagpa-picture sa akin sa Cozumel. But that's fine. So that's the paintings, and then you also have shop. So this is, I think, a restaurant. You can order anything you want here. Yeah, specialty drinks, I guess. Yes, welcome to Mexico. There's so much to see in Mexico. So may mga shops dito. So far, ito talaga yung favorite kong port. Kasi ang daming shops, like Viva Mexico. Ito, jewelry stores, jewelry shop. Yeah. And then, there's so much to see. Meron din duty-free here. Tapos, para siyang, ang ganda ng mga kulay, ang vibrant. Like, hello, Viva Mexico talaga. Ang ganda dito sa Mexico. Wait, dito tayo. May nakita ko dito. Yan, duty-free yan eh. So, pare-parehas na naman itsura ng port. Pero ito talagang, Mexico is iba talaga yung... Hi! Nice to meet you! Hello! See you around! Bye-bye! So, yun yung mga nakasama ko sa another tour last time. Ito, oh my God, may sasayaw. Wala, may sasayaw dito. May performance. Hala. Performance level, mga Mexicans. May tips pala. Tapos, there's so much to see.
The ice cream here.
Tapos, meron ditong yan, braid, ganyan. Puerta Maya. Ang dami. Dito nga muna tayo sa kabila. Oh my God, wait lang. We need to be aware sa time ha. So far, meron tayong an hour pa para makaikot kasi 11:45 pa naman yung call time ko. Tapos ayun yung mga restaurants. Oh my God, there's so much to see here. Paulit-ulit ako sa there's so much to see. Tapos, yung pag ganyan-ganyan pa oh. Mexico. Let's go around. Ang hirap pala pagka malaki yung tripod na dala. Pero helpful siya kasi hindi ako nahirapan mag-picture. Hindi ko kailangan umasa sa iba. Wow. Very independent. Tapos may mga restaurants din dito. Ito yung restaurants. See? It's drinks to go. Wait lang. Baka may makatama sa akin. And then, ang daming pang photo ops. Wow. Ang dami ditong tao. Doon tayo sa may Christmas tree, syempre, no? Tapos marami din ditong, ito mga gold. Gold and jewelry store, yan. Kaso, hindi na tayo pupunta dyan. Binalik ba sa akin nung kuya yung yung pang tour ko? Okay, binalik naman niya. Akala ko nawawala. Sobrang laki nito. Grabe. Sobrang laki dito. Like, it's a huge port. Tapos, katulad sabi ko sa inyo, ang daming mga barkong nakadock. Tapos, gusto ko lang talaga malibot muna kayo dito. Libutin natin siya. Pero paano? Kung nakausap ko yung sarili ko. Hala, ang cute dito. Puerta may Cozumel. Diba? May pa Merry Christmas tayo dito. Eto, Merry Christmas naman. Merry Christmas! Christmas tree. Tapos meron ditong puerta Tapos nandito yung mga ships. Picture kaya tayo dito. Habang fresh pa tayo. Oh my gosh. So, eto, tchanen! Picture tayo dyan. Hindi, marami palang tao. Kasi mag-intay tayo, mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo. So, let's roam around the port of Cozumel. Oh my God, time flies! 2026! Welcome 2026! Tchanen! 2026! Dito tayo. May mga ano dito. May mga restaurants at saka nagpa-perform. Grabe, sobrang maraming makikita dito. Cozumel bags. Yan, mga bags nila here. And then more arts and gifts and silver. Los 5 soles. Wow. Sobrang saya dito sa Mexico. Sige, mabilis lang tayo sa loob. Kasi maubos na yung storage ng phone ko. May pupuntahan pa tayo na tour. This is times 3. 35 USD for 3 pesos. 3 for 35 USD. Of course, mga magnetic ganyan. Sobrang ganda dito. Oh my God. And then of course, yung mga signature na Mexican na ornaments ba tawag dyan? Yung makukulay and everything, ganyan. Ayoko maghawak-hawak, Diyos ko, baka naman masira ko siya at mabayaran ko pa. Ito din yung mga usual. And then this one, yung mga makukulay. Pero gusto ko bilan yung brother ko talaga ng shot glass. Ang tagal niya na naririnig sa akin na gusto ko bilan ng shot glass yung brother ko. Ayan siya. $12. Medyo may kamahalan siya ha. Ay, pwede ko din pamigay sa friends. $12 tapos ilang piraso na yun. Tama ba siya? Alam mo, hindi ko maintindihan yung MXN na yan. So, $12, 5 na shot glass na ba yun? Hindi ko maintindihan yan. Kanina ko pa yan iniisip. So, let's go out. Let's go out and then walk. Bye. So, pasakay na tayo ng bus ngayon for our San Gervasio, Best of Cozumel and Chocolati na tour. So, yun yung bus na sasakyan namin. So, muntik na ako maiwan ng bus kanina. Oh my God. Kasi, hindi ko maintindihan kung sino ba yung tour guide na susundan. Or ayan.
Hey folks, download the AirLalo app for your internet data needs. You can conveniently select a specific country, global, or regional countries. The more you purchase, you earn air money that you can use for your next purchase. Use my referral code Carlos1400 to get $3 discount on your first purchase.
That's the entrance going inside the Mayan ruins. Unfortunately, may bayad na $4 pag mag-video ka. Photos are for free, but kung mag-video ka, may bayad. So let's see kung makapag-video tayo doon sa loob. This is the ticket. Kita niyo ba? Tanan! Bienvenidos to Gervasio. dito sa labas, yan lang yung makikita sa San Gervasio. We're not allowed to take videos kasi. Tapos yeah, may CR doon. And then more shops here. So puro photos lang meron ako doon sa loob. So currently we'll be staying here for 30 minutes. It's El Mirador. So you'll see different kinds of stuffs here which is for sale. They also have this colorful wall ornaments. I don't know. So we can eat here for 30 minutes. I would like to try tacos though. And then let's check muna yung labas. Ito yung itsura nung food, ganyan. Sorry. And then this is the beach area. Let's check the beach. Isla Cozumel. And restaurant and bar. Then Isla Cozumel. Actually, ano siya, yung dito sa floor, para siyang, hindi siya Boracay, para siyang Puerto Galera, or yeah, yung medyo ano siya, yung coral na hindi pino yung pagka ano ng sand. Tapos ito yung mga shops na makikita natin dito. Let's walk furthermore, kasi 30 minutes lang tayo dito. Let's just see yung mga meron doon na shops. Ayan, may mga shops din dito. Ito lang siya, ganito lang itsura niya. Pero I don't wanna go there. Like, ang lakas nung alon. Like, hello. Tapos, ito yung mga shops. So, 20 minutes kakain ako, mag-order ako. Dapat pala nag-order muna ako before mag-picture-picture. So, ganyan lang siya. Ayan no, you need to be careful here kasi yung corals. Grabing corals, tsaka grabing alon. Nice lang. It's so nice mag-walk. Di ko alam kung kakain ako, pero gusto ko i-try yung tacos. Pero let's see. That's Cozumel. Ayan. Siguro mga locals yan, yung nagbebenta dyan. Ayoko na pumunta doon. Oh my God, nakakatakot. Diyos ko, baka mahulog ako. Hindi ko alam kung may bayad dito, Cozumel. Ano? Cozumel. This is what I ordered. Guacamole, which is avocado. And then salsa. Ganun. And then, ang daming tacos. So, ito yung order ko for 10 USD dollars. Lahat ng price nila naka-Mexican peso. Pero they do accept USD. Yan ko kanina. So, it's just $10 lang daw. So, ang sarap naman ng guacamole in fairness ha. Tsaka ang dami ng tacos. Which is feeling ko hindi ko maubos to. Usually, yung mga stores dito, they accept US dollars. Parang mahal pala. Oh my God. Naano ako. Medyo napapraning ako. Hindi kaya nire-recycle lang nila yung tacos pag di naubos na yung kabilang label. Ang kukunin nila na tacos is yung yung hindi naubos. Oh my gosh. Nakakatakot. Pero feeling ko hindi naman. Feeling ko malinis sa maayos naman sila. Kasi dito kami dinala nung tour guide namin. So, feeling ko maayos naman. I still have 13 minutes. Kasi 30 minutes or half an hour lang kami pwede magstay dito. Kasi tina-follow namin yung ship time. Lagi niyo sa akin maririnig yung ship time. Ship time is yung oras doon sa barko. Ang oras na sinusunod sa barko, kahit nasaan ka man lupalop na port, ang sinusundan nilang oras is yung point of origin, kung saan nanggaling yung barko. Yung barko nanggaling sa Fort Lauderdale. So, 1 hour forward siya than Cozumel, Mexico. Ibig sabihin, 1 hour late yung oras ng Mexico. So, dapat ang sundan namin ng oras yung ship time. Na-enjoy ko naman to so far. Nabayaran ko na nga sa kuya. Bill. I'll pay now. Can I get the bill?
You pay?
Thank you. So, babayaran ko na para hindi ako nagmamadali. 3:19 na. In 11 minutes, I need to go na din kasi alis na yung bus namin. Pinako ko na yung bill. Katulad ng sabi ko kanina, pagkakain kayo sa labas, always bring water. Magbaon kayo ng water pag meron kayong mga excursion sa Princess Cruises. Excursion na ito yung mga tours pagka nag-visit na kayo sa port ninyo na pupuntahan. You need to have your own water para, di ba, hindi kayo kakabahan kung malinis ba yung tubig or hindi. So maganda lang na meron kayong water para you know that you're safe. I mean yung water.
How was it? Bueno.
Good.
Bueno, right, but little time, you know?
Exactly. I really want to eat more.
Where you from?
Philippines.
Filipina.
You know Pacquiao?
Oh my God,
Mm.
Lord Pacquiao. Good.
Yes.
You know Pacquiao? You see Pacquiao now? No?
Yeah.
Good guy, right?
Yeah, very good guy.
Good guy.
You know that he's a
I
senator?
see the documentary for Pacquiao.
Yeah.
Make money and I buy house from the people. Is correct?
Yes.
Wow.
Exactly. He helped a lot of people in the Philippines. Super.
Good guy.
$10. Thank you. I love your food. Thank you. So, di ba chumika pa tayo about kay Pacquiao? So, 10 USD lang yung kinain ko. So, di ba? Makapagkakatiwalaan naman sila. Kasi yung food naman na sinerve is, yeah. Are we going? Oh my God. Yeah. So, alis kami. Sorry, tingin ako sa time kasi 30 minutes lang kayong tatagal namin dito kasi nga, kailangan namin i-follow yung shift time. May pupuntahan pa kami. Dapat pala, quesadilla na lang yung quesadilla. Yung order ko. Order lahat na meron dito is meron naman sa barko. Pero this one kasi, Mexican food, di ba? Dito siya nabibili. So, alam mo na authentic. Wala akong masabi sa food. Like, I really love the food. But again, sorry, tingin ako ng tingin sa time. Ayoko maiwan, mami. Mahirap maiwan ng tour, ng bus. Well, technically, hindi ka naman iiwan ng bus. Pero, siyempre, nakakaya sa mga kasama mo kung babagal-bagal ka.
There was a time and a place where stories were not told with words and letters, but with color. In these lands, something was blooming, something that later became a pillar of a culture. At an economic level, it was an exchange currency that held high value. It circulated the most important markets, and it was treasured. So much so that it was not only seen as an object of exchange. Its cultural significance rose even to the highest temples. It was an award for the bravest warriors and kept them motivated to win fierce battles, all to get such a valued treasure.
And this is the way the Mayan they were living like. Remember the hammock? They got no time. She will let you know how to make it with using those ingredients. You see? If you cannot get those ingredients in the place where you're living at, remember the boutique? They have them available for sale. Okay? I can can wait for you, but I think it's better for me to wait for you outside. I'm going to be seated at the bar. Have a good time, everybody. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Hola.
Hola.
Chocolate is working. Bienvenidos. Welcome to the IFA Laboratory. And your tour guide said before, my name is Pati. P-A-T-Y. In the next minutes, I'm going to show you how the Mayans used to make that special chocolate. The same tools and techniques that we used it a long time ago.
Free chocolates. I would like to try dark. Let's try dark chocolate. Let's try.
Can I try the mint?
Milk chocolate. Can I try the plain dark chocolate and then the milk one? Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. They offer a lot of chocolates. They have puff rice, pinipig, almond and hazelnut. They have milk, cranberry, almonds, and grapes. Oh, they have fruits. Usual milk. Banana and cardamom. Oh my god. Ang sarap ng chocolate nila. Ang lasa ng chocolate. Ang sarap. I need to buy something special na hindi ko makikita sa duty free. $5 yata each. So let's see. So I'll buy 3 milk chocolate, the dark one, and then the sugar free. I'm not sure, but it tastes so good. They also sell here mga ganyan, Belen ba tawag doon? And then mga ganyan, Cozumel, and this one, yeah, they have it that as well. So, meron din ganito chocolates. Oh. So aside from the chocolates, you can also buy here different chocolate products. Ganyan. Tapos meron silang mga sets, parang gift set. Tapos meron ding shampoo. Meron din Mayan chocolate soap. That's so cool. Yeah, they have sabon, natural soap, shampoo, and they also have here, I'm not sure, baka conditioner for the hair? Maybe. I think so. And then, stuffed toys. Yun na yung makikita dito. Mas malaki siya. Tapos, meron yung mga gantong maliliit. Ang cute. Ta-da! So, yung tatlong chocolates na binili ko is $29 USD. You can pay in USD or in Mexican dollars or credit card. So, ito yung presyo. Ayan, may nakalagay naman dyan. $29, $29. Tapos, ito naman siya in Mexican dollars. So, nakakonvert na siya. So, it's easy to buy naman so far. Yun yung gusto kong chocolate kasi all natural. May mga cacao nibs, tsaka meron din silang almonds here. I think it's coated. Welcome back to Cozumel, Mexico. Nasa port na ako ulit. Bumalik na ako after ng tour namin. Paulit-ulit niyo sa akin maririnig na itong Cozumel, Mexico na port. Ito yung favorite ko talaga na port sa lahat ng pinuntahan ko. Kasi tinan niyo naman, yung vibe is vibing. So, may mga paganyan. Yun yung mga barko. Tapos, andito is puro yung mga restaurants. Parang Bali-inspired. Tapos may mga pine tree ba yan? Grabe, yung una namin pinuntahan, ang bigat ng story about sa Mayan ruins, yung bawal yung video. Kasi kinuwento sa amin nung tour guide namin yung history ng ruins, paano nakita yung ruins and all. Tapos kung gaano ka-greedy yung mga tao before. Grabe lang, parang it's so much, parang too much information para ma-intake. Pero so far, hindi pa kami nakakaalis ng Mexico, pero I look forward na bumalik kami ulit dito. So siguro in the next few weeks, babalik ulit ako ng Cozumel, Mexico. Sobrang saya dito. Tsaka, although yung medyo mura naman yung bilihin, pero again, it's in USD. So, pag kinonvert mo, it's 50 pesos per USD. So, baka mamahalan din kayo. Pero at least, so far ngayon, tahimik na. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi siya ganun ka-crowded. Kasi, onti na lang yung tao. Lahat ng tao bumabalik na galing excursion, galing mga tours nila. And yung ibang barko, aalis na yan mamaya. Mga 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Aalis na din yung mga yan. Kaya tahimik na dito sa port. Well, see you again later. Yun na naman masashare ko. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa excursion. For me, ito yung masaya na tour. Kasi may chocolate tour din kami. I bought 3 chocolates, by the way. So yeah, we'll see. Bye.
Going back to the ship again. Let's go back to the ship. Laki ng Star Princess. Oh my gosh. Let's go back. Long way. Getting there. Getting there.
Our hotel general manager Ralph on over here, each and every one of the team members, and of course your officers, staff and crew. Thank you for cruising with us, and let's make the most of this last day. So only one thing left to say: teammates, back to work!